Hi, Kate here again from Waste Free with Kate. Today I am going to just give you a little rundown on what to expect at a Food Lovers Masterclass. So I run Food Lovers Masterclasses all over New Zealand. It's based on the Love Food Hate Waste campaign run by councils. So there's about 60 councils in New Zealand that are running Love Food Hate Waste campaigns. And I've been really excited about this whole program purely because I realise now I used to waste a lot of food. A lot of us think we don't waste a lot of food because some of us have chickens and we feed the chickens our scraps, but I learnt that if your chickens are fat, you're probably wasting too much food. So what I want to do today is just take you through, obviously we do a lot of incentive packs. I want to take you through what's in the incentive pack and just let you know that I get asked a lot, like who is this workshop relevant for? This workshop is great for all ages. So if you're 10, I've had a lot of 10-year-olds come along. We've had 99-year-olds come along. It's a great workshop. Everybody eats food, so the information you learn is really relevant to every household, whether you're a student, a couple, a single person, anything. It's going to be relevant to you. The cool thing is that the councils generally fund a little goodie bag that you get to take home for free, which is the fun part. And the goodie bags vary. So they vary from around $60 up to $100. Today I'm going to show you the $100 pack. If you got a $60 pack, it would only have slightly less than what I'm going to show you now. And also, just so that you know, that we work with lots of different brands and sometimes the contents of these packs can change. They're not always identical because we do work with lots of people and we like to get lots of different products out there. And we've got a few new ones in the pipeline at the moment. So just to give you an idea of what you can get in your $100 pack, you get this one here has 3 beeswax wraps in it. So you get 3 fantastic ways to reduce your waste in your kitchen, but also store food better. We also have 2 reusable produce pouches, so great for going to the supermarket, and sometimes it actually stores food better too. You also get a little reusable sandwich pouch in some of the packs. So this is for putting your crackers, if you have rice crackers or something like that, you can store them in there. We have the reusable food pouches, so products that can be put in the dishwasher and used over and over again. Some groovy little products that you can get, including some that do like you can do a vegetable stock, which you'll learn about at the workshop. If you want to learn lots of tips about how to use these, you have to come to the workshop. We also have Eat Me First stickers, which are fantastic little reusable stickers that you can stick on the open cream cheese and leave the closed one closed and eat the open one first. So these are a fantastic little resource for in your kitchen. So you get some of those. And we also have my leftover magazine. So I wrote this the year before, to support the Love Food Hate Waste campaign. There's A to Z of food waste in there and lots of recipes and tips and tricks, but you'll learn loads more at the workshop. And then finally we have our little waste-free living bag, which is a sacking, and this purpose for this little bag is for storing your onions and potatoes in. So everything we try to have a purpose to reduce food waste, but we will have lots of new products coming through this year as well, so that just gives you an idea of what you might get in your $100 pack. But we hope to see you at one of the workshops soon. They're really fun. You'll go home hungry. It's the only thing I eat something before you come, otherwise you'll be starving by the end, because we do talk a lot about chocolate and things like that. But that's it for me. I hope to see you at one of the workshops soon. Come and get your free goodie bag, thanks to the councils. And if you need to find out where to book, you'll find a booking link at the top of the website under workshops, and you'll find where you can come to one of the workshops near you. That's it from me. See you next time.